With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is the length, breadth and height of a closed wooden box are 20 centimeters, 12 centimeters and 8 centimeters. The thickness of the wood used to make the box is 10 millimeters. And we have to find the volume of the wood. And the second part says the cost of the wood required to make the box. If 1 centimeter cube of wood cost rupees 8.5. So first of all, let's write down what is given to us. So first is given. Now it is given that the length is equals to 20 centimeters, breadth is equals to 12 centimeters and height is equals to 8 centimeters. Now it is given that the thickness is, so thickness is given us to be 10 millimeters, and we know that 10 millimeters is equals to 1 centimeter, so this will become 1 centimeter. Now what we have to do is we have to basically find the volume of the wood. So consider this as I have drawn it a wooden box, so it will be a cube form or cuboid form. So what we are going to do is, it says that the thickness of the wood is 10 millimeter and we have to find the volume of the wood. So basically we have to find the volume that of the wood that is being used to make the cuboid. So first what we need to do is we can just assume that there is a wood, that this is the box, and inside this, suppose this is 1 centimeter. After 1 centimeter gap, this will look something like this. So if I draw it, it will look like this. So basically only this part is the wood and the inside of this part, this whole part is air in the box. So therefore if we assume, so the volume of the wood will be, we can say that similarly it will, so for example this is, say this is length. So out of this length is given to us to be 20 centimeters, and we can say that from here 1 centimeter we can cancel out and 1 centimeter from here. So basically first what we are going to do is, to find the volume of the wood, we will take the volume of the whole box and then we will minus the volume of the box inside part. So basically the volume that is of the air that is empty. So for how we're gonna do it, I will just use different steps to explain this. So for the first part, we will calculate the volume of the whole wooden blocks, volume of whole wooden block. Now this volume will be given by length into breadth into height, as it is used for a cuboid. So length is given to us 20, breadth is given to us 12 and height is given to us as 88. So when you solve this, it will come out to be, when you solve it, it will come out to be 1920 centimeters cube. So this is the volume of the wooden block. Now we have to find the volume of the wood. So for that we need to subtract the volume that is inside the block. So that basically which is hollow. So for that what you need to do is, for that here it is given that the thickness of the wood is 1 centimeters. So basically 1 centimeters from this edge and 1 centimeters from this edge is so basically 1 centimeters from this edge, this part is wooden and the middle part is all air. Similarly, when we go for the breadth part, it will be same. So if this is the breadth, this again the middle part is air, and for the height as well, it will go like this. So when we calculate, so for the to calculate the volume of inner hollow part, we have to decrease the length by 2 centimeters. Now because the thickness is 1, but you know that the thickness will be on both the sides, so basically we will decrease it by 2. So 1 centimeter from here, 1 centimeter from the other side. So length minus 2 into breadth minus 2 into height minus 2. So this will give us the volume of the inside part, and when we subtract this from this, we will get the volume of the wood that is required. So basically length is given to us 20 minus 2 into breadth is given to us 12 minus 2 into this is given into height is given to us 8 minus 2. So when we open, this will come out to be 18 into 10 into 6. So sorry so when we do this, when we calculate, it comes out to be 1080 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the inner hollow part. So therefore the volume of wood is the volume of wood is this volume of the whole wooden block minus the inner hollow part, so that will be 1920 minus 1080. So when we subtract this, it will come out to be 840 centimeter cube. So with this we are done with the first part. So first part is done. Now we'll go on to the second part, that is the cost of the wood required to make the box. Now it is said that the second part is for the cost of 1 centimeter cube is 8.50 rupees. Okay, 8.50 rupees. This is given to us. Now what we have to do is we have to calculate this for 840 centimeters. So 1 centimeter cube is equals to 8.50. So basically this is RS 8.50. So for 840 centimeter cube, so 840 centimeter cube, this will be equal to 8.50 into 840. So when we solve this, this will come out to be 7140. So this is the price, this is the amount of price that is required. So this is the cost of the wood required to make the blocks. So hence second part is also done, and these are both the answers.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.